So yes guys, putol-putol po ang ating video dahil andito kami sa Carnival Park guys. So yung alaga ko kasi magulo, so may pera naman ako binigay ni madam para sa anything na kailangan niya. Kaso hindi naman ako pwede mag without kahit ibinigay na yun sa akin, kailangan ko pa rin magsabi sa kanya kasi katulad nito, mahal na ito, 35 dirham, 35. So hindi tapos kumain na naman na din kami. So bibili pala kami ng ticket, akala ko card lang siya. So kailangan namin bumili ng ticket. So ito, mag-ano kami, dito kami sa Carnival Park. So magulo ang aking alaga, hindi muna ako makapag-entertain or makapagsalita. It's magulo yung aking alaga. So, at saka bibili pa ako ng, oh my god, no refunds daw, sabi. Hala ko, mapapalaban na naman tayo nito sa English. Yahoo! Hindi ako marunong. Cheers! Nahina lang ako. Dito kami sa, ito yung gusto niyang palaruin. Hi, good evening. How to play this, all the toys?
You can buy tickets, then you get the tickets.
How much the ticket?
Starting is 15 dirham to 35, so 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
So if I put money 100, it's okay?
That's the one on there?
Okay. So
You
dito
want to play
No.
with me?
No.
You want to play with me?
Extra 15.
Thank you so much. So andito kami ngayon sa Okay.
Okay. Yeah, my mama can play with this.
Only this. When you finish this one, kalas.
Let's keep my mama tell only 3.
Eh, what three? عشان هذا 30 dirham. So where?
33?
Yeah.
I buy 3?
Yeah. So what the play was? Packet. Are you sure you want? Okay, maglalaro siya guys. Don't you want this? Okay. So maglalaro kami guys. Ito ang gusto niya mapanalunan guys. So ito na. Ito ang uhulihin niya katumbas noon. Oh, di ba? Yeah. So how much points this one? She want like this.
12 points.
Okay, 12
You
points.
have 12 points?
35? Oh. Hi pa hold my phone like that.
Hello.
You will play? Yeah.
Hello.
Hi pa dun.
Don't talk. I don't talk. Sick.
So naano na si ate. Actually alam ko naman ng mga Pilipino yung mga staff dito, more on na staff dito ay sa Pilipino. Kaso nung first time na ako, siyempre Pilipino ako at alam ko Pilipino si kabayan. So can I help her?
How many sushi?
Hi pa. 50. If you are not get win,
You said no. Oh my goodness.
not finished.
Yeah, only 4 them.
Only 4.
Now you get 6 points.
Only 4. Only 4.
Which one?
What you want, ya mama? Hada. Hayo, hada. No, you not win the duck.
I don't like it.
Yes, guys.
Ay, sorry.
No.
This was what I do.
What you want? What you want?
Get that one.
Duck?
Yeah.
Again.
You need to play more.
If you want penguin, I have penguin. You want penguin?
Yeah.
You need to play again. How do this one only?
This one, ya mama.
This one.
Hada good, you don't have like this.
Not good.
This one penguin.
Nagkapo.
I want this one.
You need to play again.
I want this one.
Yala,
But
35
if-
again.
35 and you said you want to play there. Your money, it's only this one.
Like a camera.
You have? No, not like that the count. This one, 20, 60, 70, 80. You have still 80.
But you want to play two more games.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So what's more? So, pupili kami. Ang hirap niya, guys! Nagpiplay siya.